So, hi friends, I'm going to talk about what data science is. So, let's go through this how data science comes into play in the real world. Until or unless anybody knows about the real applications, so students does not prefer to learn that domain. So, I'm going to teach the data science with the practical applications and practical implementations. So, let's go through this. Who can pursue data science as a career? So, what data science actually is? This is the new domain which was not existing 10 years back. It has come into play from the last 4 to 5 years, you can say. There are so many positions which are open in the field of data science and it's still growing. So, uh, so students from computer background, maths background, business background are coming into the one place and doing what? Data science. So where data science comes into play, so let's see. So what data science needs? First of all, basic knowledge of math. One should have the hold on maths. One should be mediocre level in stats as well. One should know programming as well. So these three mindsets, one should also have the business mindset. So these three mindsets, when comes into play, this is where the data science comes. So as far as programming languages are concerned, you only need three programming languages. If you don't know yet, you can pursue with it. I'll be teaching these three programming language in my next tutorials or in another playlist. Please check out this channel. Uh, so the most important programming language is Python. Second most is R for data science. The least important is Java. Some students find very difficult to grasp Java as it is not needed. You can say, or you can say it's least needed language. Fine. So what are the steps in data science? So let's collect the steps together. Let's discover the data flow, or you can say workflow. First step is data capture. So first you capture data. The second step is manage and clean data. This is you can say in another language exploratory data analysis. What does it mean? You explore data. You clean the data. You filter out the data. Like in Excel, you filter out the data. So all required rows are filtered out in one. Then exploratory analysis. Fine. First you manage, clean, then exploratory analysis comes there, where you explore the data. Obviously, you will be exploring the right data set, not the wrong data set, not the whole data set. Sometimes the data rows are so more like more than 10 lakh, more than 20 lakh. So you filter out the relevant data set. Sometimes mismanaged data set also comes, or sometimes data rows are not present completely. After exploratory analysis, then comes final analysis. So where final analysis comes, then you report that dataset into dashboards. So what dashboards are? Like in Tableau, we present the dataset in a more clear manner. So you are able to see datasets in a very clear manner, or you can say in a very interactive manner. So it's data science, it's all a workflow, you can say, or a data flow. From one end to the another end, we are capturing data and cleaning and then reporting as per the required. So how we collect it? This is the very big question nowadays. So how are we going to collect the data? So as far as we are concerned at the individual level, our mobile has different applications, all that are connected together. So how they are connected together? They have one thing in common. Either they are connected with your mail or your mobile number. So where this data is going, this is stored on cloud or with any other companies. So these companies are using this data to give the advertisements. These companies sell the data to the relevant companies who give advertisements. Fine, so that is called target advertising. You are targeted if you have watched educational channels just before, so you probably can get an educational ad after that. Why? They are doing target advertising. So all this is based on data science. That's the science behind that. Thank you. Please watch and subscribe this channel for future videos in data science, data analyst or business analyst.